The coronavirus has become the biggest public health crisis in any of our lifetimes. In this video, I'd like to take a moment to go over a few things about how our procedures have been modified when we need to interact with you as one of our patients. Our first and foremost priority is to make sure that we keep you and our staff as safe as possible throughout the entire process. First of all, we will try to have as much interaction with you as necessary before you even arrive. So whether that's conversations over the phone, referring you to our website, referring you to online forms that we may have or ask you to fill out or review, or whether it is telemedicine to actually have an appointment with you over the internet, we will try to do as much as we can before we have to have any physical contact with you. If in that process we determine that we do need to see you, whether it's for a new patient evaluation, evaluation of an ongoing problem, or an emergency, then we will ask you to come into our clinic. So if we determine that you need to come into the office, we'll ask you to wait in your car until your appointment time, and then you can come into our entry. At that point, we will check your temperature, make sure you don't have a fever. If you do, we're going to ask you to reschedule your visit. We have some paperwork for you to fill out that has to do with being treated during the coronavirus pandemic. And you'll also notice that there are a few changes in how our space is arranged. For example, we've taken out some of the seating in our waiting areas to make sure we can maintain social distancing. We want to have a limited number of people in our office at any given time. So if you do have a companion with you, we'll ask them to wait in the car unless they really need to be with you to aid you throughout the process. Our front desk will have some barriers up between you and our staff to avoid potential transmission of any particles. We will also give you a mask to wear during your visit if you don't already have one with you. So in the operating room, my staff and I have always used sterile technique, worn a mask, and worn gloves for everything that we do. That will not change. But that whole protocol is now going to be extended throughout our entire clinic for all of our staff. We've also done a few things in our clinic to protect you and our staff from potential transmission. You'll notice that most of our examination equipment will have a little shield on it now so that we can't breathe on each other. This has been present in some of our equipment for a long time, but we've bolstered it up over what it was previously. We'll also sanitize our exam rooms before and after you arrive, and a lot of the contact points that you or our staff may come in contact with. We hope that this will help to prevent the transmission or the potential transmission, because there's really no way to know who has this and who doesn't. So we have to assume, unfortunately, that everybody might have it. Again, our biggest priority is to make sure that we can deliver the care to you that we need to and keep everybody safe. We've all heard that we're all in this together, but maybe it's more important to think that we all need to work together to get through this. If you have any questions or you need to contact us, please call us at 877-455-9942. And please, stay well.